Ladies and gentlemen, gather around. A new variation of the Magnum has come to town. You've all seen the Black Widow.
Who's got the
Now introducing the Seahawk. As usual, we went all out with this thing. Castle HYDRA ESCs, Castle 1520 1650 kV motors, blue and green water hoses all throughout, with matching zip ties, precision ABEC 8 stainless steel bearings, carbon fiber steering horn, Beefy EC8 connectors, Quasar talking GPS radio. Of course, he's got the GPS module already hooked up and his voltage telemetry. And since he's such a great customer, of course he got the super signature. Ultra thick, ultra strong hull. You hear that thing? Filled it with foam, expanding on the inside to make it like a surfboard. This hull braking is the very last thing in the galaxy this guy has to worry about. Sliding adjustable carbon fiber battery trays, push-pull cable steering, CNC props with our CNC nylock nuts. Receivers all ballooned up, forming matching things. Here at Oxidean Marine, our work ethic is much different than any others. It's unmatched. Your boats are getting built by a 50-time national champion who's broken over 100 speed records. Typically, these boats only take us about a week to produce, so there's no long wait or anything like that. This video will be the customer's first time seeing this boat after having ordered it. We hope he's very happy. I'm sure he will be. And what's fascinating, he actually asked us to build a Dominator to match this thing, so stay tuned. Oxidean Marine Magnum 44 Twin Cat Seahawk Edition. Get you one while we still have them in stock. These things are rad. And while you're at it, subscribe to our channel, smash the like button, and enjoy model boating.